In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and exploring the fundamentals and incredible potential of turning a modest investment into substantial gains. With the rapid rise of digital currencies, many traders have found themselves navigating a landscape filled with opportunities and challenges. We'll break down the strategies, tips, and insights that can help you maximize your gains while minimizing risks. Throughout this video, we'll cover essential topics such as understanding market trends, identifying promising cryptocurrencies, and employing effective trading techniques. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions in this volatile market. Get ready to engage with real-life success stories and practical advice that can inspire you to take action. The world of crypto trading is not just about luck, it's about strategy, research, and a willingness to learn. So, if you're curious about how to transform your initial investment into a life-changing sum, stay tuned as we embark on this thrilling journey together. To successfully grow your investment in cryptocurrency, the first step is to thoroughly research and understand the market. Begin by familiarizing yourself with key concepts such as blockchain technology, which underpins most cryptocurrencies, and the various altcoins available beyond Bitcoin. Understanding these fundamentals will provide you with a solid foundation for making informed trading decisions. Next, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the crypto space. Follow reputable news sources and influential figures in the industry on social media platforms. This will help you gain insights into market movements, regulatory changes, and emerging technologies that could impact your investments. Additionally, consider joining online communities and forums where crypto enthusiasts gather to share their experiences and insights. Engaging with these communities can provide valuable perspectives and help you learn from others' successes and mistakes. By immersing yourself in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, you'll be better equipped to navigate its complexities and seize opportunities as they arise. Remember, knowledge is power in the fast-paced world of crypto trading, so invest time in your research to set yourself up for success. Once you've gained a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency market, the next step is to choose the right cryptocurrencies for your investment. Start by analyzing key metrics such as market capitalization, trading volume, and historical performance. Market capitalization gives you an idea of a coin's overall value and stability, while trading volume indicates how actively a coin is being bought and sold. Historical performance can help you identify trends and potential future movements. Consider investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have proven their resilience and reliability over time. These coins often serve as a safe entry point for new investors due to their widespread adoption and strong market presence. However, don't overlook the potential of promising altcoins. Diversifying your portfolio by including a mix of established coins and emerging altcoins can help mitigate risks and enhance your chances of significant returns. Research up-and-coming projects that show potential for growth, but always ensure you conduct thorough due diligence. By carefully selecting a balanced mix of cryptocurrencies, you can position yourself for success in the ever-evolving landscape of crypto trading. Creating a secure trading account is a crucial step in your cryptocurrency investment journey. Start by selecting a reputable exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance, known for their user-friendly interfaces and robust security measures. These platforms offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies and have established themselves as trusted options in the market. Once you've chosen an exchange, it's essential to enhance your account's security. Add two-factor authentication 2FA to enhance security. This feature requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your mobile device, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Additionally, take the time to understand the fee structure and withdrawal limits of the exchange you select. Different platforms have varying fees for trading, deposits, and withdrawals, which can impact your overall profitability. Knowing these details will help you make informed decisions and avoid unexpected costs. By establishing a secure trading account with a reputable exchange and implementing strong security measures, you'll be well prepared to navigate the cryptocurrency market confidently and safely. Developing a solid trading strategy is essential for achieving success in the cryptocurrency market. Start by deciding which trading style suits your goals and risk tolerance. You can choose between day trading, which involves making multiple trades within a single day, swing trading, where you hold positions for several days or weeks, or long-term holding, which focuses on investing for the long haul. Each approach has its own advantages and challenges, so select one that aligns with your lifestyle and investment objectives. Once you've chosen a trading style, it's crucial to set clear entry and exit points for your trades. Establishing these parameters helps you make disciplined decisions and avoid emotional trading. Determine the price levels at which you will buy or sell, and stick to your plan to maximize your potential profits. Incorporating technical analysis tools can further enhance your trading strategy. Utilize charts, indicators, and patterns to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. By combining your chosen trading style with well-defined entry and exit points, along with technical analysis, you'll create a comprehensive strategy that can help you navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrency trading effectively. Managing risk is a critical component of successful cryptocurrency trading. The first rule is to only invest what you can afford to lose. The volatile nature of the crypto market means that prices can fluctuate dramatically, and it's essential to protect your financial well-being by not overextending yourself. This mindset will help you stay calm during market downturns and make rational decisions. Another effective risk management strategy is to use stop-loss orders. These orders automatically sell your assets when they reach a predetermined price, helping to minimize potential losses. By setting stop-loss levels, you can safeguard your investment and prevent emotional decision-making during market volatility. Additionally, it's important to regularly review and adjust your portfolio based on performance. Monitor your investments and assess whether they align with your trading strategy and risk tolerance. If certain assets are underperforming or if market conditions change, don't hesitate to make adjustments. This proactive approach will help you stay on track and optimize your investment strategy. By implementing these risk management techniques, you can navigate the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency trading with greater confidence and security. Staying informed and adaptable is vital for success in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. Continuous education is key. Make it a habit to learn about new trends, technologies, and emerging cryptocurrencies. Resources such as online courses, webinars, and industry news can provide valuable insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Understanding innovations like decentralized finance, DeFi, or non-fungible tokens, NFTs, can open up new investment opportunities. Regularly monitoring your investments and the overall market is equally important. Set aside time each day or week to review your portfolio and assess market conditions. Keeping an eye on price movements, trading volumes, and news events will help you make informed decisions and identify potential risks or opportunities. Finally, be prepared to pivot your strategy based on market conditions. The crypto landscape can change rapidly, influenced by factors such as regulatory developments, technological advancements, or shifts in investor sentiment. Flexibility in your approach allows you to respond effectively to these changes, ensuring that your trading strategy remains relevant and effective. By staying informed and adaptable, you can navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market with confidence and increase your chances of achieving your investment goals. In this video, we've explored the fundamental and essential steps to grow your initial investment through cryptocurrency trading. We emphasized the importance of thorough research to understand the market, including key concepts like blockchain and altcoins. Developing a solid trading strategy tailored to your goals is crucial, whether you choose day trading, swing trading, or long-term holding. Effective risk management cannot be overlooked. Always invest what you can afford to lose, utilize stop-loss orders, and regularly review your portfolio. Staying informed and adaptable to market changes is vital for long-term success, as the crypto landscape is constantly evolving. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to embark on your trading journey, it's time to take action. Start implementing these strategies and watch your investment grow. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency offers immense potential, but it requires dedication and a willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on creating AI-generated content. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your trading journey. Thank you for watching.